In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how I made $125 using Pinterest affiliate marketing. So I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing to see if it's still working, and yes guys, it's really still working. And you should start, if you are a beginner, you should start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. I made this commission just in one single day, and I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how I did it. So make sure to watch this video until the end, so you will understand everything about Pinterest affiliate marketing. So you don't need to invest any money, you just need to watch this video and go and try this method, and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's get started. So what you will do first, so you need to go to Google. Okay, let me show you. First go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr, click. So let me show you. Click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will just come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, just click on affiliate. So let me show you. Click over here on affiliate like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, I'm gonna show you the commission plan because they are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services. Okay, so if you scroll down, let me show you. You click over here on see commission. You can see over here that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If you scroll down, you can see over here that you will earn $50 for those services, for graphic and design, data science, mobile apps, website development. $40 for those services. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn this money. That's really a lot. Okay, so what you will do to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now. Okay, so just go to your home page, back to your home page, and click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username and password, and account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here, and you're gonna choose your country and you will choose your language. Okay, and you will scroll down. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and you just need to follow a few steps, and it's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr account, and what you will do now, I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn $150 and $25 just in one single day. Click on the search for Christmas video. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because Christmas is so close, guys, and you know, if you start promoting this service, you can get a lot of people who are interested, and they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So that's why I choose this service. Okay, because it's trending now, and a lot of people are searching for how to make Christmas video. Okay, search for Christmas video, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and sellers who has good reviews, a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So I'm gonna choose, so let me show you. So let's get an example. I think this one is good. This one is level 2 seller. As you can see over here, he has almost 5 stars, a lot of reviews. He is selling this service starting just from $5. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it. Go to Google. I'm gonna delete this. Search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Make sure to choose business account, not personal accounts. You need to choose business account. Okay, after you finish, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. What you will do, you need to upload a picture about this affiliate service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page and you will upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, so this is my picture, for example. I'm gonna double click save image. I'm gonna name it Christmas. Save. Okay, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, this is my Christmas picture about my affiliate service, and here you go. What you will do next, you will put title, description and your affiliate link here. Okay, what you will do, you will go back to this seller page and you will copy his title, because you are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, you can use exactly those titles and description, that's fine. Go back to his profile page, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. So this is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part, copy, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. Go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here, scroll down, you need to choose a board. So if you are new, you can click over here on create a board and you can create as many as you want. Okay, so you just need to give it a name and that's it. Click board and give it a name. You can create as many as you want. I already created a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, keyword that people are using to search for this Christmas video. Okay, scroll down, go back to this seller page, keep scrolling down, you should see related tags. Those are the keyword that you should use. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here. Christmas video. I will go back to Pinterest, put this keyword here and go back, and I'm gonna copy just this one to show you. So make sure to use as many keywords as you can. Okay, so people can find your service on Pinterest and they can buy this service and you will earn commission. After you finish, click on publish. and here you go. And as you can see, my affiliate service was published on Pinterest. Okay, it's really easy, guys, and simple. You will use free traffic. You will promote Fiverr affiliate services on Pinterest using free traffic, and I share with you this profitable service that I was promoting for Christmas. So make sure to start promoting this service on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. If you are new and you created new Pinterest account, make sure to post just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day on Pinterest. Okay, and if your Pinterest account is an old account, you can post like 10 and up to 20. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how I made $125 using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.